Hey guys, it's Jordan and welcome back to my channel. So today, if you guessed it, I will be teaching you guys how I created this clown makeup look. It is super easy to do. You just have to have a little bit of patience. I don't want to talk this video out too much, but if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you've not yet done so. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It's free and it does help the channel out. And finally, don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Let's get us started. Going in with my NYX Jumbo pencil, I'm highlighting my under eyebrow section because I want to add some white to that and I want the white to be very visible. So I did that. Then I went in with some regular concealer underneath that for the rest of my eyeshadow. Next, I went in with these two shades. I mixed them together for my crease. Next, I did a half a cut crease, and I actually did not use any eyeshadow glue for this, or glitter glue I should say for this, or lash glue. I just popped it on to the half a cut crease and then I blended that blue with the tail end of my cut crease. I then primed my face using Nivea Soft and went off camera and did my full face. Now, using a brown eyebrow pencil, I started to make the shapes that I wanted my clown to look like. So with a light hand, I just went in to make the shapes at the top of my brows, and I'm basically just using the pencil to create like triangles at the top, and then at the bottom it's like 3 mini triangles joined together. I hope you can see what I'm talking about. Using a black gel liner, I'm gonna go in and fill in all the areas that I outlined using the black eyeliner, making sure that I'm trying to keep as neat as possible, because after I do that I'm going to set this with eyeshadow, black eyeshadow, and then I'm going to use my concealer brush along with some concealer to clean up the edges. Now going in with these two shades from my BH Cosmetics Summer in Paradise palette, I'm going to be basically using those two shapes underneath my eye section just to add a little more brightness to that area, to highlight and accentuate the clown look. So I started off with the blue by fluffing it out with that black just to bring it down a little bit underneath my eye, and then I added some of the red, and then I'm gonna go in with my blending brush and just blend the two colors together. And I did this twice because after I go in with the concealer to clean up the edges, some of the product would be gone, so I had to replace that. So I ended up brightening that whole entire area. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this black lip eyeliner, or is it eyeliner? I'm not even sure. And I'm just going ahead to create the shape that I want my lips and my extended clown look to have. And I'm not taking the smile out too far. I'm just gonna let it be a little smile. And then I'm going in with this red lip pencil to create, of course, my clown nose, because no clown look is complete without your clown nose. And also I'm going to be doing my lips as well. I'm now going in with some red loose glitter just to make my lip and nose pop a little more. And also I'm going to be adding some black gems underneath each point of each of the triangles that I created, both on the top of my eyebrows and below my eyes. And that is it for today's tutorial, guys. I had so much fun creating this look for you. I really do like SFX makeup. Let me know down in the comment section your thoughts as to how this look turned out, and I'll insert a clip from my TikTok at the end.
What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
I'm gonna kill you, of course. But first, I'm gonna drive you mad. Now that's a head part. What do you have to lose? Insanity. Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the whole closest starts.